Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete and clear your Amazon search history. This is a great way to keep your browsing private and remove any unwanted search suggestions that might clutter your experience. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings for this process. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. This is where Amazon displays your recent search suggestions whenever you click or start typing. Click directly on the search bar, and you'll notice a drop-down menu appears showing your recent searches. This feature is handy for quick access, but sometimes you might want to remove certain items from this list. To delete individual searches, simply hover your mouse over any recent search suggestion that appears in the drop-down. As you hover, you'll see a small X icon appear next to that search term. Click on this X to remove that specific search from your history. This method is perfect if you only want to delete a few selective searches without clearing everything at once. However, if you're looking to manage your search history more comprehensively, there's another route you can take. Hover your mouse over Account and Lists, located in the top right corner of the menu bar. A drop-down menu will appear with various options related to your account. From this menu, select Browsing History. This will take you to a dedicated page where Amazon tracks not just your searches but also the items you've viewed. Once you're on the Browsing History page, look over to the right panel. Here you'll find a gear icon which represents the settings for your browsing history. Click on this gear icon to access more options. This opens up a menu that gives you control over how your history is managed and displayed. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Remove Items. Click on this option, and Amazon will begin clearing your browsing and search history. This action helps you start fresh and ensures that your previous searches won't continue to appear as suggestions. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted and cleared your Amazon search history using two different methods. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.